Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder day, where I have 12 sinking funds that I'm saving for with $80 in prop money. So let's get started. I'm just going to apologize for any noise in the background. Somebody's out there mowing their lawn because we had rain every day of the week. So now it's the sun is out and people is trying to cut their grass. So we have that noise in the background and everyone in the house is home. So yeah. So let's get started. How are you guys doing? It has been a great week. Ooh, we are going to envelope 9. I'm about to say till 9. Just got to film and build a bank. So we have 9 here, and this is created by Beautiful Budgets Co. This is that's just how we roll. And we need 2 dice here. I need to get my dice, my other dice. Okay, let's go ahead and roll. Roll, baby, roll. So we are, let's do 6 and 4. Oh, 6 and 4 is done. So let's do 4 and 6. Oh no. Oh no, I'm cheating. So if you already roll, so I already did 6 and 4. So now I have to choose one of these on this side. If I already roll, I have to do one of these on this side. I was about to cheat. I forgot she put a little spin on it, which I love. So what I'm going to do is just roll my 12-sided die. And we got 8. So let's go ahead and do 8 on this side. Ooh, that is something fun. I like that little twist. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Let's go with another card. Can you guys see these cards? Okay. I'm just going to do it like this. So now we're going to 3. 3 stuffing budget. And this says, I'm staying home. I have mood poisoning. That's me. I love to stay at home. This says $50. So let's go here. And that is 8. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh, going to envelope 8. And that is Champagne's Corner. I don't know where to put things. I guess I do it like that. You guys can see okay? I think you can. Okay. Let's get a marker. And like we stopped here. So let's roll. Oops. We got 5. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, back 2. So let's go 1, 2, back 4. So do I just mark this? Let's mark that. I did that one. Did that one. So back 4. So then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, should I go again? How many more? I got a couple more. Okay, let's go again. Let's roll. Let's go forward this time. Okay, 1. Right there. So that is $1. So that should be $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. We almost finished with this. What we got? We got 3, 4, 5. I might just finish this one next time. And that's Champagne's Corner. All right, next we are going to 11. 11. 11 is Mystic Budget. So let's get this out, get our instructions out. And we are scratching. So let's go here. And we got the moon. The moon telling us, this is also a card game too. So it's her dice and card game. So the moon is telling us to pull 3 cards and stuff the largest to the smallest. Or you can pull 3 cards and subtract the smallest to the largest. So let's get our cards here. All right. All right. Cut the deck and then pull 3 cards. All right. Let's see what we got. So we got Jack here, which is $3. So we got 5, and both of these are 3. So subtract the largest from the smallest. So $2. I was just thinking in my head. So $2 there. Perfect. And let's go ahead and scratch this last one on here. And boom, that is a 5. So $5. So $5 going in, and we are finished with this card. And this is a whole book. I need to put that book together so you guys can see the whole thing. So we'll put that there. So we finished that one. That's something cool. We are going to envelope 2. And that is Bookish Mama Budgets. And this is this fun saving challenge here. The amounts 3 through 12. Ooh, come on, something spicy. Let's see. We gotta start off with an 8. All right. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. We are going to 6. And that is Reynolds Budget. And these are amounts 1 through 4. So let's get a D4. And we got $3. Perfect. So we're doing this 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we are running out of ones. That is something crazy. Ooh, your choice. Let's go to... Oh, I want to do the Thrift is Sewist. We are so close to finishing this one. So let's get our cards here. Let's get the color dice to choose from. We got red. Ooh, we only got 1 in red. Yes, I'm excited about that. Let's see. Ooh, baby. That is a 20. That is hot like fire. So 20, 10, 15, 20. So we finished this card. Yay. We still got, we finished green. Oh, we are so close to finishing this. So close. Okay. We did that one. Perfect. Did I put, yeah, I put that back. All right. We are going to 10. 10 is Dreamy Budgets. It's so crazy. I was going to pick that as my choice. And it's these nice dominoes. And we have finished quite a few of them already. Are these all the dominoes left? Yeah. Okay. So let's mix that up. Let's go here. Boom. Let's see what our dominoes gonna get us. Let's do this one. Okay, $6. Some little dainty there. 5, 6. Perfect. Next, we're going to 5. Envelope 5. You're up next. Come on down. The thrift is so sharp. Ooh, hopefully, we won't get another 20. Let's see. Let's pick one. Anyone. Purple. Ooh, you just got one on purple. We doing it, guys. We are doing it. 5, 10. Oh, we only got $15. Bless our hearts. And that is a 10. And that is $30 we put in here, but that's cool. That's cool. That's good. So $10 more going into here. And now we are finished with purple. We only got, guys, oh no, we got yellow to finish. I was about to say, we only got 2 more. We got 1, 2, we only got 3 more cards. I'm thinking next week I should just finish this because this is going towards vacation. Sure is. All right, let's put that right there. And we only got $5. Should I just put that into my catch-all? Or let's, oh, hold on. Or should I see what the next card, let's see what the next card gonna be. 1. I don't even know who is 1. 1 is budget with Carly. Ooh, that could be a risk. A little sparkle wherever you go. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. No, I'm not gonna do it. So let's go ahead and put in our catch-all, which is our Reynolds budget right here. And let's go ahead and put $5. Let's do the 4 and the 1. Perfect. All right. Guys, I threw down in the kitchen yesterday. Ooh, it was so good. Let me tell y'all what I made. Well, I didn't make. I got some like baked chicken or roasted chicken from Costco that's already made. But I made some homemade macaroni and cheese, and I put some crab meat in it. Made some collard greens. Yes, I did. It was so good. And some candy yams. I'm like, who she thinks she is? But it was delicious. I don't cook like that all the time. See, budget with Carly didn't get anything. Bookish Mama budget got $5, $6, $7, $8. Let's put that in here. Stuff in budget got $5, $6, $7, $8. Mischief managed budgets didn't get anything. We haven't played that one in a while. And then Thrifted Sewers got $10, $15, $20, $25, $30. That was the hot ticket today. Reynolds budget got $5, $6, $7, $8 today. The Humble Budgeter, we didn't get to play that one today. And then we got to play Champagne's Corner and we got $5. So close to finishing that one. And then Beautiful Budgets Co. got $5, $6, $7, $8. Oh, I kind of smeared that. Oh, no. And then Dreamy Budgets got $6. And then Mystic Budgets got $7. And we finished this one. And what is this going to? This is, so this is the book. I'm gonna put it together. Where are you at, sis? Let's add her up. That goes over there. Oh, utilities. So let me see how much total. We got 50, 70, 5, 77, 78, 79, 80, $81. What? 77, 78, 79, 81. Yep, $81. I need to get another pen from Drip by E. So plus 81. So we have 181. Perfect. I need to put that in my other tracker, but I don't know where it's at. I can take that money out. Perfect. And then Lemon Ivy didn't get anything today. So that is it. That's my financial abundance binder where I save for my sinking funds. And I found it just a good way to use some of my saving challenges I have. I have a whole lot. So yeah. Thank you everyone once again for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel and share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.